Hello and welcome to Semifinal Group 1 in our Hatchbacks tournament. From Round 1 Group 1 we have Iron Man and Vivi. Iron Man scored 29 points while Vivi brought in 28 points. From Round 2 Group 2 we have Jim D and Scoop. Jim D scored 30 points with Scoop scoring 24 points. Then we have Broccoli and Ella from Round 1 Group 3. Broccoli scored 29 points and Ella tied for second with DJ Impact at 24 points. However, Ella was able to win 2 races in the race-off. First up on the pole will be Iron Man in the teal Mercedes-Benz. Behind him is Vivi, and to his left is Ella. Iron Man is all alone coming out of turn 3, going through turn 4. He bounces off the inside corner. Vivi is starting to catch up, but it's going to be Iron Man in first place, Vivi in second, Ella in third. Here we can see Iron Man picked up 6 points from that pole position, while Scoop picked up 2 from the rear. Next on the pole is Vivi. But Iron Man is right there coming out of 3 going through turn 4. Vivi is right behind him. And Jim D, who started behind Vivi, is going to come in third. Ella's coming in 4th, Scoop in 5th, and there's Broccoli in 6th. Currently, Iron Man and Vivi are leading the pack with 12 and 10. Jim D and Ella are tied for second with 7. Jim D will have the pole with Scoop right behind him. Jim D and Vivi are neck and neck coming out of turn 3. Jim D able to fight underneath Vivi going into that second to last turn. Iron Man swings on the outside of Vivi and they're going to finish. There's Broccoli coming in 4th and Scoop coming in 5th. It looks like Ella did not finish and will receive a DNF. Up next we have Scoop on the pole. Broccoli will be right behind him. Jim D beats Scoop out of turn 3 and leads through turn 4. Vivi right behind him in reverse. She spins back around and she's going to come in second. Jim D first, Ella third, Scoop 4th. Broccoli and Iron Man going to bring up the rear. Jim D and Vivi currently tied for first at 19. Iron Man right behind them. Broccoli has the pole. Broccoli and Scoop are neck and neck coming out of turn 3. Scoop blocks. Broccoli taps the back of Scoop. Scoop's going to go on to first place. Broccoli's going to come in second. Iron Man third. Jim D 4th. Ella 5th. Vivi coming in last. Going into the final race, Iron Man and Jim D are tied for first with 22. Vivi is in third with 20. Ella has the pole. Ella is able to keep her lead coming out of turn 3. Broccoli gives her a tap in turn 4, but finds himself on the high side going through the second to last turn. He's going to battle Iron Man, but it's going to be Ella, Iron Man, Broccoli, which won't affect who's moving on. That will be Iron Man, Jim D, and Vivi getting the top 3 in this group. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, as it really does help the channel. And we'll be back next time for Semifinal Group 2.